Star Atlas cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here generally will basically give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for Star Atlas in a significant way. The Star Atlas especially has in no time explicitly acquired commonly extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested in looking through the inquiries like truly is Star Atlas a wise interest in an unobtrusive way? Is Atlas truly worth purchasing in 2023? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030, which is genuinely huge? How especially high can Star Atlas go, which especially is genuinely huge? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Star Atlas expected development and its cost expectation, all from by and large profound specialized examination to key past cost graphs in a sort of huge manner. Star Atlas extremely past value examination, which for the most part is very critical. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Star Atlas certainly is $0. Atlas is right now basically position number 623 in the by and large whole crypto market, which fundamentally is very huge. The core supply of Atlas especially is 2,160,000,000 with a market cap of $20,216,419 in truly most recent 24 hours. In the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially has been somewhere near 0.71% in its ongoing cost esteem in an unpretentious way. Assuming we think about the 24-hour market cap of the Star Atlas with yesterday, you can see that the market cap really is likewise in fundamentally descending pattern, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Star Atlas by and large is as yet confronting a fundamentally tough time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins on the lookout. The Atlas is down to nearly 34.25% over the most recent 7 days. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past couple of days. The coin could explicitly have areas of strength for truly, however, we don't in every practical sense believe that it would a productive resource in momentary in a kind of huge manner. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the for the most part current cost esteem and certainly beyond 30 days cost history, it by and large is seen that Star Atlas has expanded 57.59% in its cost esteem in a huge way. The typical exceptionally least cost for the 1 month for the most part is $0. Certainly greatest kind of normal cost in every practical sense was $0. This suggests that this coin basically is a reasonable resource and another expansion to for the most part your arrangement of coins for fundamentally long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 67.84%, and the cost generally flowed from an exceptionally least typical worth of $0 most extreme really normal worth of $0 the genuinely beyond 90 days. In genuinely most recent 4 months, Star Atlas explicitly has shown a developing pattern in an essentially significant manner. In this manner, we in every practical sense imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, which is genuinely critical, as per the barely the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Star Atlas is expanded from 4 months, which really is very huge. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, which for the most part is very critical. The coin fundamentally is up by 74.64% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin truly was around $0. The base especially normal value of was around $0 kind of beyond 4 months in a sort of significant manner. Star Atlas value estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030. We anticipate future Atlas cost expectation. Star Atlas figures by applying extremely profound essentially counterfeit learning specialized investigation on the authentic value information of Star Atlas, or so they fundamentally thought. We truly give a valiant effort to gather in every way that really matters most extreme verifiable information for the Atlas coin, which especially incorporate various elements like pretty past value, market cap, volume, and the sky is the limit from there. In the event that you by and large are looking to for the most part put resources into digital currency market, by and large try to peruse our expectations in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas value expectation for 2023 as per our figure. In 2023 the cost of Star Atlas is supposed to reach at the very least value level of $0, which is genuinely huge. The Atlas cost can arrive at an especially greatest worth of 1 cent with the exceptionally normal exchanging cost of 1 cent in a kind of enormous manner. Star Atlas value expectation for 2024 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Star Atlas is basically anticipated to in a real sense reach at a kind of least worth of 1 cent. The Atlas cost can really arrive at a most extreme degree of 1 cent with the very normal exchanging cost of 1 cent, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Star Atlas value figure 2025 to 2026. The cost of Star Atlas especially is somewhat anticipated to really reach at an especially least degree of 2 cents in 2025. The Star Atlas cost can fundamentally arrive at a very greatest degree of 2 cents with the typical cost of 2 cents all through 2025, or so they thought. The cost of Star Atlas especially is anticipated to for the most part reach at an in every practical sense least degree of 3 cents in 2026. The Star Atlas cost can arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 3 cents with the exceptionally normal cost of 3 cents all through 2026, or so they truly thought. Atlas value expectation for 2027 Star Atlas cost basically is estimate to truly arrive at a most minimal degree of 4 cents in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Atlas cost could generally arrive at an essentially greatest degree of 5 cents with the especially normal gauge cost of 4 cents, in spite of prevalent thinking. Atlas value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Atlas. In 2028, the cost of Star Atlas is estimated to be at around a base worth of 6 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Star Atlas value worth can arrive at an especially limit of 8 cents with the extremely normal exchanging worth of 7 cents in USD. Star Atlas value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Star Atlas is supposed to reach at any rate level of 9 cents in 2029. The Atlas cost can arrive at an essentially greatest degree of 0.12 with the typical cost of 10 cents all through 2029, which is genuinely huge. Star Atlas value expectation conjecture for 2030 according to the figure and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Star Atlas is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of 15 cents in an unpretentious manner. The Atlas cost can arrive at a by and large most extreme value worth of 17 cents with the truly normal worth of 15 cents, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas value expectation for 2031. The cost of Star Atlas by and large is supposed to reach at a fundamentally least worth of 21 cents in 2031. The Star Atlas cost could in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest worth of 26 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 22 cents all through 2031 in a very large manner. Star Atlas value expectation for 2032. Star Atlas cost in a real sense is conjecture to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 30 cents in 2032, in spite of prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the Atlas cost could really arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 36 cents with the typical figure cost of 31 cents, or so they generally thought. What especially is the Star Atlas cost today? Today, the cost of Star Atlas is 0.009 with the market cap of 20,216,419.000, which is very critical. What will truly be the Atlas, particularly the most elevated commonly anticipated cost for 2023? The most noteworthy gauge cost for Atlas is supposed to for the most part arrive at a really greatest worth of 1 cent toward the finish of 2023, which is genuinely critical. What will be the Star Atlas most elevated anticipated cost for 2024? The greatest estimated cost for Atlas most certainly is supposed to arrive at a truly most extreme worth of 1 cent toward the finish of 2024.